It's my tree, my theology. We thank everybody that has participated in the Fataki Hill Challenge. A hike with a tree. 2 hours and a half hike. It's a challenge. We know what we have gone through the last 2.5 hours. The intentions are clear. Greening Rwenzori with 6 million trees. Out of the 6 million trees, 1 million trees coffee, 500 cocoa, 1 million trees fruits, avocado, mangoes, guavas, and others. You have seen us giving out trees to the communities as we started the hike along the roads, planting fruits. The intention is that whenever you come to Kasese to hike the Fataki Hill Challenge, you should eat a fruit. 2, we are also encouraging responsible living of the communities in and around. We're also telling them a message that the visitors are responsible visitors.
One of the key reasons why you must green this hill is because we want to increase the biodiversity of this area. We understand that we have lost a lot of biodiversity or ecosystem conservation in this area. But of course, you can see the hill is bare, and it means some of the living organisms that used to stay here were killed. So by improving or even planting more trees, we are increasing or enhancing the biodiversity of this hill. And that's the reason why the Luji Festival was motivated to invest more in planting more trees.
I have participated in the Fataki Hill Range hiking. It has been a journey of 2.5 hours, and we have made it here. It has been tough and rough, but with persistence and determination, we have made it here. And I'm very excited that we have successfully planted our trees as a part of contribution by Uganda Tourism Board for promoting eco-tourism and greening Rwenzori.
There is a lot of soil erosion, so we need to plant more trees. So if you get time, please plant a tree in your environment, plant a tree in your region.
My tree, my theology.